out before it disappears!
Well, it isn't the welcoming committee.
No time for dry, witty remarks. Let's go! Move, 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 move! Move, 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 move!
What the fuck?
Ryan, look out!
Wait, what? Come again? You mean you see my point?
No, Candace. I mean that.
You do?
How did I miss it?
Nobody look! Was that the bite of 87? Fuck! Fuck! Fucking cut! Fuck! Fuck! Fuck!
Oh my god!
Oh my God! Ryan! Ryan, can you hear me?
Holy crap! What the hell happened?
Mom, I'm in the panic room. Phineas and Ferb, and Phineas and Ferb, and robots! The village chamber! Stop it!
He lost to the...